Prime Minister Andrew Holness is begging Jamaicans to take the vaccine. Mr. Holness says it's the country's best shot of relaxing the restrictions and returning to normal. He was speaking at the Norman Manley International Airport after the arrival of 300,000 doses of AstraZeneca on Friday.
I'm encouraging all Jamaicans, please go out and get vaccinated.
An appeal from Prime Minister Andrew Holness to Jamaicans to get the vaccine to protect them from falling seriously ill if they contract COVID-19. Mr. Holness says the reported increase in COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations coupled with the new Delta variant could overwhelm the public health system. There are 700 COVID-19 beds available island-wide. As of July 30, almost 200 of them are occupied.
We have to be very careful about how we as a country loosen our measures, because very rapidly this virus could spread and the number of beds that we have could easily be used up. That would throw us into a crisis. It was not so long ago, in February, that we approached that crisis level. We do not want to get there.
The Prime Minister says he's aware of the frustration caused by the tightening of the COVID-19 curfew for 2 weeks. The curfew is from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. during the week and on Saturdays, while on Sunday it begins at 3 p.m. But this was Hagley Park Road, St. Andrew on Friday, July 30 after curfew hours. The Prime Minister says the new measures are also to give children a chance at face-to-face learning come September.
We also have to consider that our children have been out of school for a year and a half. The impact on their education is significant and it will be long-lasting. As a responsible government, we cannot place the education of your children, our children, at risk.
Our news centre spoke with children at a summer camp in Denhamtown, Kingston, who are getting a taste of face-to-face schooling. Nathaniel says he hasn't been to school in more than a year and is worried that he'll be forced to continue learning online with the news of the spike.
Don't think about yourself, think about us, the kids that are going to school. We love our school and we want to go back to school.